so na yakọ emrase bedwafia lawyer ni a wogina mode ama IGP eye kwa mejan wode atodwa ese enya de obema kwan na adansefuo bi bekasa omokwose kokoa mu na womo de womo ni mufa audio bi ebeto monten so a emrase bedwafia eye mo hwehwe mu no womo de womo no disem akotodwa oni semchefo ekasa na no pay.
Our expectations are that the proceedings would go on normally. We expect the chairman to make some unilateral decisions and we would raise objections where necessary. Apart from that, we are not expecting any bombshells.
You're not expecting bombshells?
No.
But you are raising concerns about extraneous witnesses?
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That the chairman might want to do that. And we would use the legal means to resist that. You
are going to object it?
And very strongly.
Are you saying their presence is inconsequential?
They are not just inconsequential, but it is also against procedure. This is a fact-finding inquiry. Witnesses cannot call witnesses. And witnesses will not cross-examine witnesses. It's the committee that does questioning.
What were some of the documents that were added to the invitation extended to you? Is it something that is bulky that the public can know?
Some application for habeas corpus, some reports from some Nigerian newspapers and some Herald about some missing Nigerians. Are these part of the terms of reference that the Speaker gave the committee?
Where from those documents?
They are supposed to be coming from one Asari, who is a witness. So a witness is calling witnesses to come and make depositions and give testimony. So we are here.
In the interview, you told me that you're not going to miss words at all.
I told you today, we'll see what lawyers.
Is your client coming?
My client.